What's up guys, my name is Zach and this is UltimateRebuilds and we have a new project today and we're gonna go get it right now. A fan actually reached out to me and told me he has a jet ski sitting in his yard. It's been sitting there for 16 years just collecting mud and dirt and leaves. So I went out there yesterday and was able to pull it out into the concrete. Didn't get much footage of it because they were kind of over my back a lot, just asking me and talking to me a lot. So I didn't want to record them or anything, but going back today, I went and bought new wheels and tires. So let's hopefully get it out of there and get it back to my house. Well, we got it out pretty easily. I was there for like 3 hours yesterday, just trying to get the tires pumped up, but buying new tires was definitely the way to go. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Yeah, we're gonna take it back. Gonna hook up the pressure washer, get it cleaned up, and then we can go ahead and go over it, see what all it needs, see what's wrong with it, hopefully. Yeah, we'll catch you back at the house. Looks a little better in the daylight.
Trying to get the
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll pull out the pressure washer and clean it up. That was a lot of pressure washing. We got it almost back. It's just, this is not wanting to come off. My dad has some stuff he's gonna order and it should take it off pretty easily. It will come off with a bunch of scrubbing, but I don't wanna waste time. I don't have much daylight left. So let's quickly go over this. This is a 2002 Seadoo Bombarder, however you pronounce that, GTI LE. Yeah, like I said, 2002, and it was last registered in 06, 12 of 06. It's been sitting there for 14 years, just collecting leaves. I pulled out all the plants and stuff that were stuck in here. They were growing up as high as the seat. I'm gonna go over what I need to order, just like right now. I went ahead and already ordered oil filter, and new spark plugs for this. So I just want to go over everything before I actually try to start it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the battery too, and try to find a new battery for it. Obviously the seat's been seen better days. I'm gonna try to find a used one. If not, I'll have to try to find the foam and the fabric for all of this. I don't know where to even look for it, but yeah. You saw me pill up this thing. This was all rotted to, yeah, it's bad. They sell these kits though, so I'm gonna go ahead and order another kit for that. Take a step up. I don't know if that's gonna hold me. Ugh. Pull out the back seat. Not too bad. I haven't even seen the engine yet, if there's even one in there. Is there something supposed to be right there? I think there might be. You wanna see the engine? Yeah. There's a little bit of rust on top. Well, spark plugs are somewhat clean. But I ordered new spark plugs and new oil filter. Probably take out the carburetor too and clean that out. Just the battery. Go ahead and take that out and get it replaced. It's probably shot.
Not bad.
Now I was expecting a bunch of leaves and nests all up in here, but I don't see anything. Some water in the speedometer. Let's check this out. See what's underneath here. Some oil. This looks like receipts. Injection oil. Looks like a ski handle.
Registration.
Oh, it's a registration? Sweet. When was the last registration?
050106.
Oh, 50106. Nice. It's a rag, wasp nest.
For the trailer
Cool.
and the vessel.
We got it. You didn't see the before.
Is it a mess?
Yeah, it's all right there.
You have a picture of the before?
Yeah, I have a picture of the before.
It looks pretty nice.
Yeah, the seats seem, I think it's really bad right now.
You can recover those though, can't you?
Yeah, the foam's all bad though. So I have to find new foam or just a whole new seat in general.
Did you try to start it?
No, I'm gonna change the oil and do all that stuff before I actually try to start it. We'll see.
Yeah. Cool.
The previous owner was going over with me like everything that he thought was wrong with it or that he fixed once before. One thing that was not sure got fixed or not is the steering. There's steering cables in this thing and apparently they go bad. This is my first jet ski, so I really don't know much about them, but he said that it went bad. He had it replaced once. It went bad again. He thinks he replaced it again, but he's not sure. So we'll have to check that out once we actually get it running. We'll take it out for a drive and see what all actually needs, if we can get it running. Another thing is when he put gas in it the last time, he put like something in it that keeps it good for letting it sit. I don't remember what he said it was, but apparently the gas is good for sitting. So, but I'm still gonna drain it all anyway, just be safe. 14 years of gas, you know, might as well drain it all. Also, you mentioned something about the reverse not working, so I'll have to look into that too. Body-wise, I don't see any kind of cracks, nothing major, you know, dock rashes or anything. Paint is flaking up here, clear coat, stickers, decals need replaced. But I'm wondering if I can actually just repaint this with like automotive paint, or if it needs like a special kind of paint, because I think boats take like some kind of weird acrylic something, whatever it's called, but this just looks like regular automotive paint. I might be able to repaint that, because I'm not really a fan of the tan, because whenever I get new seats I'm probably going to change that color too, so I might as well repaint over these. Yeah, what color do you guys think I should paint them? Go yellow to match the purple, or stay tan, stay stock? I don't know. I was actually looking for full wrap kits too, if I can find a full wrap to do it. I think that would be pretty cool. Also, whenever he gave me the registration, he also kept all the paperwork. Every time he took it back into the shop, those 4 years he was actually using it. He has all those receipts. Has the original sales price. He has all that. So, thank you. That's good to know. Sun is setting. We're going to go ahead and park this, and we'll get to it another day. I'm going to take you inside, and we're going to go over all the paperwork he had. Welcome to my bedroom. I would give you a tour, but it's a little messy right now, so I'm not going to. I just need somewhere quiet to go over all this paperwork and all this stuff he gave me. Right, here's the key. Need to order a new lanyard that's seen better days. It's falling apart in my hand. Safety handbook. I'm just going to quickly go over all this because it's not super exciting, but there's some cool stuff in here. Yeah, safety handbook. I'll definitely read that. I have 2 Seadoo operator guides. Yeah, 2002 Seadoo right there. So if I lose one, and this right here is the exciting thing. Right here where he bought it from, I would show you where it is, but it's in my town, so I don't want to give that away. All these are receipts. Besides that, it's the title. All these are receipts from every time he took it back there to get oil changed, a part fixed. Back in '02, this Seadoo was $6,499. He had a finance, so obviously he's going to pay for more, but I'm not going to reveal all that. It's not super exciting. So, yeah, out the door is $64.99. Yeah, like all these are just receipts from what happened. Yeah, oil change, spark plugs, O-ring. Yeah, it looks like he regularly got it checked out. This is like seat foam repair. Oh, that seat's been recovered before. Well, it needs to be recovered again. This one got done in 05/28 of '02, so like right after they bought it. That's weird. If you replace the seat like right after they got it, it must have got a rip in it or something. Another oil change and everything. That's good to know. At least it was taken care of from up until then. So I don't think there'd be a problem with it running. I don't think it's gonna be locked up. I hope it's not locked up. I really hope. I don't want to have to tear out that engine. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. This is stuff for the trailer, because he bought the Seadoo and the trailer together, so that trailer actually came with that Seadoo. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and order all that stuff, and then I'll catch you guys later. And that's a wrap for this episode, guys. I am very excited. I've always wanted a Seadoo. I've been looking for one for a while, and just everything works out, I guess. Starting with a free budget, I've already spent $115 on new wheels. I just ordered all that oil stuff. So you guys tell me what all you guys want me to see done to it. I don't know much about Seadoos or jet skis or anything. We've owned 2 boats in our whole lifetime, and I think they're way different since whole jet and engine, however that works. So I'm gonna need your guys' help along the way. Tell me how everything works. Tell me things that happen to this. If you guys know of anything that I need to fix or just like work on right away. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited for this whole build. New learning experience, new everything. I have a few more videos on the Volkswagen mini bikes that I'm gonna release here soon while I'm waiting for parts to come in. So be look out for that. As for the Nissan Figaro, still waiting for parts. Got to order a few extra parts too. So I'm just waiting for stuff to get on this, and then we can start tearing into that interior. But yeah, everything's coming along great. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want some behind the scenes, throw some pictures. I've thrown some videos of like the new kart video, my last video I posted, up on there. Going to the beach pretty soon, so some videos of that. So if you want to see all that, check out my Instagram. If you have any links for anything, if you have business stuff you want to talk to me about, email is right here also. Yeah, got all that out of the way. Great. I will catch you guys in the next episode. Bye.